This is the Bulldog 3D. I'm Darren. With it coming up to Halloween, today we're going to look at a face mask that we can wear. This is printed in PLA white on a bambulab P1S. If you think you can guess what it is, leave some comments below. Otherwise, let's get into the video and I'll start removing all of the supports. Everything's printed with tree supports. The first part of the mask, these come out pretty easily due to the supports being pretty large. With all of the supports removed from the main section, I'm going to super glue the next piece to it. I ended up needing to super glue some more at the end. Now let's get into the bulk of the support removal. These are all tree supports, but they're all very tiny and all run across the tentacles. After you've printed each pair of tentacles, try to label them in the number that you've printed them in. This will help later on. If you're liking the content of this channel, please try to like and subscribe and leave some comments. It helps the channel immensely. If you think you know what this is, please leave a comment below and let's see if you're right. Wait till the end where I'll be trying this on and showing you the end product. Let's try this on. Let me know what you think. How does it look for Halloween? I think it looks pretty good. I think I've got some of the tentacles in some of the wrong slots, but it still fits. Try looking at some of my other videos. They'll be in the left hand corner or the right hand corner. Thanks everyone for watching.